In this video, we'll show you how to configure and use dark mode on your tills. Specifically designed for low-light environments such as bars, nightclubs, and late-night hospitality venues, dark mode delivers a more comfortable experience during long shifts, while preserving the familiar layout, clarity, and workflows you already know. To enable dark mode, tap the three dots on the login screen and tap Enable Dark Mode. Once activated, the interface switches to a darker, easier-on-the-eyes color scheme. You can switch back at any time by following the same steps and tapping Disable Dark Mode. You can also fine-tune the dark mode color palette in the web portal by editing your profile and adjusting the settings under Secondary Branding. For more information, please refer to your user manual. If you need further assistance, your support provider's contact details can be found in the Till menu or the web portal.